Homemade orange juice is simple and refreshing, very rich in vitamin C. Enjoy delicious orange juice at home without hurting your pocket. This recipe is for 2 servings. The ingredients needed are 3 large oranges. These are similar size to my fist. If they are smaller, use 4 or 5 oranges. 3 tablespoons of simple syrup. I have linked the recipe in the description box. 1/4 cup of drinking water and some ice cube. First, cut the orange with a chopping board. Remove the skin from the top and the bottom part. Try not to cut too deep as we don't want to cut off the flesh. It is okay to leave a little bit of the inner white skin because it may be too difficult to remove it all. Next, cut it to fit the juicer. Half size is enough to fit my juicer. If the oranges have seed, remove them. This orange is seedless type, so I won't be removing the seeds. Put it in the bowl and leave it aside. Continue to complete all 3 oranges. Alright, the oranges are cut. Let's juice it. With this amount of oranges, I should be able to get 2 full glasses. Today, I will use the juicer. And this orange juice for 2 glasses should be full as per this Pyrex measurement mark. We will add water later on. Switch on the juicer machine. Put oranges inside the opening, one by one. Use the pusher to push down the orange and ensure a glass is under the spout to collect the juice. After putting in 3 pieces, the glass is almost full. If I add one more, it might overflow. Since the Pyrex can fit nicely under the spout, I will use it to collect the juice directly. This way, we won't have to transfer the juice many times. Let's continue juicing all the oranges here. Now I am using about 1/4 cup of water to wash down the orange juice from the juicer. Try not to put too much water as we don't want it to be too diluted. Switch off the machine. Alright, we have this amount of orange juice. It is almost full and should be sufficient for 2 glasses. Next, fill the glasses with ice until full. Alright, let's keep the ice before it melts. Next, taste the orange juice. If the orange is sweet, we won't need to add syrup. But this orange juice is quite sour, so I will add some syrup to sweeten it. Add in 3 tablespoons of syrup or as preferred. This helps to counter the sourness of the orange juice. Give it a stir and we are done. Let's serve. Wow, just enough for 2 glasses. Perfect. Cheers. So lovely and refreshing. Not too sour and not too sweet. Cold and fresh orange juice is perfect for tea time on a hot day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified on the next simple home cooked recipe. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.